Welcome to Leading Beyond Limits, your go-to channel for leadership training and career enablement. Our mission is to empower professionals to reach their highest potential through expert coaching and transformative workshops. Are you a current or emerging leader looking to break through boundaries and achieve excellence? Subscribe to our channel for invaluable insights and practical advice tailored just for you. Our content is designed to inspire and equip you with the leadership skills needed to make lasting contributions to your community and industry. Stay tuned for expert tips and strategies. From comprehensive coaching sessions to trainings and certifications, we offer a range of services to support your career development. Our goal is to foster a culture of growth and innovation. Don't miss out on our offerings, which are crafted to elevate your leadership capabilities. These were designed to help you navigate complex challenges and lead with confidence. Tune into our podcast for in-depth discussions with industry leaders and experts. Gain unique perspectives and actionable advice that you can apply to your own leadership journey. By subscribing to Leading Beyond Limits, you'll join a community of like-minded professionals committed to personal and professional growth. Together, we can achieve greatness and push beyond limits. Hit the subscribe button now and stay updated with our latest videos. Let's embark on this journey of leadership excellence together. Your path to becoming an exceptional leader starts here.